Inside Out, Anamorphosis as collective identity. Junior's Inside Out project in Paris at the Pantheon in 2014 added a new dimension. People themselves became the anamorphic surface. Thousands of portraits were printed, pasted, and transformed across the grand facade of the Pantheon. From afar, the faces created a rhythmic illusion, but up close each was an individual story. The installation blurred boundaries between artwork and audience. It was anamorphosis not just of vision, but of identity, collective transformation through perspective. Sculpting illusion, Jonty Hurwitz and the anamorphic frog. South African artist Jonty Hurwitz pushes the concept into the realm of sculpture. His metallic anamorphic works are warped, melted, or stretched into strange forms that make no sense, until a reflective cylinder reveals them. One of his most memorable is a distorted frog sculpture. To the naked eye, it looks like a scrap of twisted metal. But in the mirrored cylinder, the animal leaps to life in perfect proportion. The beauty of Hurwitz's work lies in the duality: destruction and perfection, chaos and order, all depending on the viewer's perspective. Brusspup. Anamorphosis on the internet. While artists like Junior and Hurwitz dominate galleries and landmarks, YouTube creator brusspup has brought anamorphic illusions directly to millions online. His videos feature flat-printed images, shoes, Rubik's Cubes, even toy cars, that look three-dimensional from a precise angle. Add a mirrored cylinder, and the magic doubles, transforming scribbles into lifelike objects. His accessible approach shows how anamorphosis thrives in the digital age, not only as elite art, but as playful tricks anyone can explore at home. Urban and street illusions, from drones to murals. Street art has also embraced these techniques. The artist KT Asidu used drones to create graffiti high on city walls, shifting perspective on what graffiti could be. Dutch artist Leon Kier combines anamorphic painting with augmented reality, creating murals that come alive when viewed through a foam screen. His works, like giant LED figures or candy spills on pavement, invite passersby to step into another reality. Projection mapping in Tokyo stations has even turned ordinary hallways into animated anamorphic spaces, where walls bend and ripple with digital illusions. Playful and immersive illusions, Lego and Google Doodles. Brands like Lego have taken the technique to another level. In London, they created a massive 3D anamorphic billboard that, from the right angle, seemed like Lego blocks spilling into real life. Google, too, has explored anamorphosis in its Doodles, playfully warping text and imagery for audiences worldwide. Behind-the-scenes videos often reveal the meticulous alignment required, showing how even the simplest illusion is a labor of patience and geometry. Academic and gallery explorations. Universities and galleries continue to explore the depth of this art. Typographic anamorphic projects turn hallways into living words, only visible from one perspective. Patrick Hughes, the British painter, has pioneered reverse perspective, where his gallery works appear to shift and move as viewers walk past. His art transforms walls into moving landscapes, forcing the eye into a dance with depth. Refik Anadol and Data Dreams. Among the most thought-provoking examples is Refik Anadol's machine hallucinations. Using projection mapping, Anadol transforms architectural spaces into pulsating anamorphic illusions generated from massive datasets. Skyscrapers ripple with waves of color, and domes dissolve into kaleidoscopes of data. His work pushes anamorphosis into the realm of artificial intelligence, where machines themselves dream up distorted perspectives of the world. Musion Eyeliner, holograms on stage. While LED illusions dominate outdoor spaces, Musion Eyeliner technology revolutionized indoor performance. This stage illusion system uses a high-tech version of Pepper's Ghost to create lifelike holograms. From resurrected music legends performing alongside live bands to futuristic product launches, it transforms flat stages into three-dimensional immersive spaces. Musion system embodies the essence of digital anamorphosis, illusion so convincing it collapses the boundary between the real and the projected. Real-time illusions, Unity shader magic. At the frontier of interactive art, Game engines like Unity have become powerful tools for anamorphosis. Developers have designed custom shaders that allow real-time anamorphic billboard effects, where the illusion adjusts dynamically as the viewer moves. Instead of static tricks, these systems create living illusions that respond to the audience. It's a glimpse of the future, perspective-based art that is not just pre-rendered but interactive, immersive, and endlessly adaptable. If these illusions sparked your imagination, keep exploring the world of anamorphosis on the streets, in galleries, online, and in your own creative experiments. Share which of these examples amazed you the most, and let's continue to uncover how perspective can transform the way we see art, technology, and life itself. Don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the hidden worlds of creativity and illusion.